Hey everyone, and welcome back to SecurityChris. In today's video, we're going to talk about something that's crucial in today's digital age: protecting yourself online. With the ever-increasing threats and vulnerabilities out there, it's more important than ever to take your online security seriously. We've got a lot to cover, so let's dive right in. Here are some essential tips to help you stay safe on the internet. First up, passwords. You've heard it a million times, but it's worth repeating. Use strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Instead, go for a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. I highly recommend using a password manager to keep track of your passwords securely. It can generate and store complex passwords, making it a breeze to manage your online accounts. Next, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, whenever possible. 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second verification step, usually a code sent to your phone. This makes it much harder for hackers to gain access to your accounts, even if they have your password. Remember, a little inconvenience here can go a long way in protecting your online presence. Now let's talk about software updates. Keeping your operating system, applications, and security software up to date is crucial. Developers release updates to patch vulnerabilities that could be exploited by cybercriminals. So, don't procrastinate when you see those update notifications. Keep everything current to minimize your exposure to potential threats. When it comes to emails, exercise caution. Phishing attacks are still one of the most common ways that attackers trick people into revealing sensitive information. Be skeptical of unsolicited emails, especially if they ask for personal information or contain suspicious links or attachments. Double-check the sender's email address and verify the legitimacy of the email. Another vital point is securing your Wi-Fi network. Change the default router password, use a strong WPA3 encryption, and consider hiding your network's SSID to make it less visible to potential attackers. And there you have it, some essential tips to help you stay safe online. Remember, your online security is in your hands. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.